Hi, my name's Andy, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to create a knowledge center using Weever. So the knowledge center is really easily found by anyone within your app. You just go to forums and you can find the knowledge center folder and then search for whatever you want. It brings up the whatever content you add and a link to download the manual. You can have the information right in there or have links to manuals. To build your knowledge center, the first step is to add a forum folder. In this case, we're adding the forum folder to the training folder. I'll just type in knowledge center here. I'm not going to add it though, because of course I already have a knowledge center folder there. And then we just add our forms. Forms that don't require any submission don't include a submit button. So we have a handy template here called a Knowledge Center Learning Template. We just duplicate that out and then edit that form. Go to Form Settings. Remember to publish when you do this. I'm keeping this as draft because it's just a template to show for demonstration purposes. So you can add a form name. In that case, I've added an emoji there with a blue book to provide a visual representation of a manual, and then I can add a screenshot here of the cover of the manual, and I can edit the code here for the button to change the name on the button and the link. So you can link your staff out to an external source of documents, say a shared drive, or you can upload the documents to Weever and use them there. So it's a fairly simple tool, and it provides staff with an easy way to find any document or manual that you're looking for.